It feels kind of weird to film a video after taking a week off, but I guess that's my fault. So hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vini, you can call me Vini. Here we talk about like fashion and lifestyle, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Also click the like button. I always forget to say that. It kind of helps when your channel is like this small. When this video comes out, Halloween will be on the next day. So this is kind of gonna be like an inspiration video for people that are exactly like me. The type of people that always wait for the last minute to get costumes and get ready. So I hope this video is useful for someone. Where I live, Halloween is not really something that is celebrated that much. I never went trick or treating. I never went trick-or-treating when I was a child. The only Halloween parties that we had were at school because it's not really that embedded in our culture that much. So every single year I would get like the most random and most boring ass costume possible. I never really thought that much about it. And for what I can remember, I actually succeeded in most of the costumes that I did because they were kind of good. I might have some experience on that last minute trying to figure out what to do for Halloween. These are 10 costumes that you can do at home last minute for Halloween 2020. Like, it's a very nice time of the year. There are a lot of parties, but don't really go to them. We're still in a pandemic and we should really be taking care of ourselves at this point or else this is never gonna end. Let's start with the first costume. This costume is something that I actually didn't know anything about. I didn't know anything about this person before I watched the movie that was launched on 2018 about their life. So I only knew that he was a singer from Queen and that he died by HIV, and that's pretty much it. I didn't really know that much about him, but this is Fred Mercury. This is the inspiration picture. This costume is actually really easy. You just need a white tank top, a light or white type of pair of pants, and some Adidas shoes because he wears Adidas. But also you need some glasses and a mustache. Yeah, that I don't have right now because I actually shaved for the first time today in 5 days. My beard was like almost kind of full. This is the first costume. So I have long hair, so it kind of breaks the vibe of the outfit because he didn't really have that much hair. So what I also added was this like bracelet that is very like elastic. This is actually a microphone for a PlayStation Disney video game for karaoke that I bought when I was 10. I wasn't going to like paint my mustache because it would take me like such a long time to take it off. This is the best I got, and also some aviator. But I feel like I did pretty well. Like the shoes are Adidas. Yeah. For costume number 2, we have John Travolta and Pulp Fiction. To me, this is actually one of the worst movies that I've ever watched. I'm preparing for the hate. It's just so boring. I don't really enjoy Tarantino movies that much. I've watched all of them because of college. I think his best movie is Jungle or Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. But for this costume, you only need a black suit, white top, this weird ass sort of tie thing that Prada wanted to bring back a few seasons ago, and I don't really think that it became that popular. Boy, I don't really know how to describe it. It's just this. You're gonna see in the picture, like this tie. And some black socks. It's like so easy. If you have long hair, like the same length that mine is at right now, you can just tie it in the back and it kind of becomes a perfect costume. Yeah, and if you have a girlfriend or a friend that's a girl that wants to go with you as this other character, it will work perfectly because of the iconic scene of them dancing at the bar or the diner. It would work a lot better than if you went by yourself, but it's still a good idea for a simple outfit. As you can see, I got my ponytail right here, and also this is kind of, I had to like improvise in this case because I couldn't find a tie that looked like the one that he's wearing. So, but I feel like from far away it kind of looks decent. So yeah. For the third costume, this is actually a movie that I have never watched. I always like put it aside. I never lay down to actually watch it, but it's a classic. It's Grease. So John Travolta's character at Grease. This is the second outfit from John Travolta. It's a really simple costume. A black pair of pants, a belt, a black t-shirt, black shoe. It's just like an all black fitted outfit. If you put gel in your hair, hair, it's gonna look like pretty close. All of these outfits, as you can see, are very easy and very last minute, so applies to this one as well. If you have like a girlfriend or a friend that's a girl that wants to dress up as Olivia Newton-John, it works a lot better, but it's still an option. No, I just can't do the hair the same way that he does. Oh my god, the lighting is terrible. Wait, it's a little bit better right now. I can't really do the hair that he does because my hair is really long and he's just not that long. And also, I kind of feel like I gained a little bit of weight in the last 2 weeks, and I'm kind of realizing how big my torso is. Like, it's not proportionate. Yeah, this wasn't the best one, but if you have a hair that's more similar to his than mine, would probably work out pretty well. Let's hope the other ones turn out a little bit better. I stopped uploading for a week because I had a lot of papers to finish at college and I couldn't really film last week. And I'm feeling so weird to me again for some odd reason, and I don't really know why. But anyways, moving on. For the next one, this is probably the most cliche outfit ever because it's not really a costume. It's just like making fun of other people, but it's a nerd. Classic 90s movie sort of nerd. Yeah, it's a really easy outfit. You just need some pants and some really sort of ill-fitted clothes and some glasses. To be completely honest, it's just that simple. Like, there are many variations. You can kind of like search on Google and see which outfits you can recreate with your wardrobe, so you don't have to buy a costume for a nerd. But why would someone buy a costume of a nerd? Anyways, everybody's gonna know what you are. You know, that description was terrible. I'm so sorry about that, but this is the costume. I literally can't see anything. I got these glasses from my mom because I didn't really have glasses that had kind of a frame like this. But the problem is she has a really fucked up vision, like she doesn't really see at all without the glasses. But yeah, I think this one will turn out pretty good. Yeah, it's very accurate to the stereotypical nerd. That was pretty easy. This turned out pretty good. Like the lighting is terrible right here. Next costume. The next one is very douchey. It's not really a costume, but like it's just a person's style. Justin Bieber in his like 2013 phase, he really liked to show his underwear to every single person on earth for some odd reason. I think he still does that. You just need like a long ass t-shirt or tank top and some sort of skinny jeans that you're gonna leave at your thigh for some odd reason, some high top sneakers, and also some chains. Some chains are really useful because he really liked to show off his wealth at this time. But anyways, this is the costume. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. Like, who the hell told Justin Bieber that this looks good? What is this with this looks hideous. I got even the shoes, like the high top shoes. This looks awful. Like, look at the hat. Like the chain. Honestly, no words. For the sixth costume, it's actually from another movie that I have never watched, and it's still a classic. I don't really know why I'm saying that I haven't watched this movie because people are gonna think that I'm crazy. So this is Leonardo Dicaprio at Wolf of Wall Street. This is very much like a rich guy from the Hamptons sort of style, very put together, with a polo shirt and some like dressy pants. For it to work, you kind of have to style your hair in the same way that he does. Do I look like I work at Wall Street? Who knows, maybe in the weekends when they go to the Hamptons. But I feel like it's pretty close. The one that he's wearing in the photo that I got as inspiration, it's mostly white and beige, but I couldn't really find a white and beige combo, so I did it in a baby blue tone. The shoe that I wear is this one from Polo Ralph Lauren. That's pretty much it. What else can I say? I kind of look like a grandpa as well, but that's the way that he dresses, so anyways, let's go to the next one. For the next costume, this is actually a classic. This guy was, for a certain period of time, like my hero. I really got into technology at the age of 10, and he died when I was 11, so like I really wanted to do like computer science. Yeah, very different from what I do right now. But the costume is Steve Jobs. He used to wear exactly the same thing every single presentation that he did. He was a very simple guy. He's very minimalistic, so you kind of expected him to always dress like that. For that, you only need like straight leg pair of jeans, a black turtleneck, and some sporty shoes. And you also need some glasses because he wore glasses. If you have like longer hair, you can kind of like go for his 1980s sort of look. But it's a really simple outfit. I think it's the easiest one to do from this list. Every single person will know who you are, so easy to recognize, very simple, equals effective. Okay, so I know that you wear like round glasses, but I don't really own any round glasses. If you have like an Apple accessory, like an old iPod or an old like iPhone, or kind of works to like complete the look. For these shoes, I'm wearing these Nike running shoes that are very old, but I feel like it works with his style. But this is Steve Jobs. This is the best it's gonna get. It's pretty good. For the 8th outfit, we all know that like Timothée Chalamet's popularity went like crazy this year because of TikTok and that trend that he did like I'm gonna watch this and I'm gonna regret it. So I feel like that the amount of fans that he got this year is actually really big. So a lot of people could probably recognize this next outfit. This is his outfit from A Rainy Day in New York. It's a really simple outfit, very black. But you only need for this costume like a dark green pair of pants, a beige jacket, and a blue button-up shirt, a dark red t-shirt underneath. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. It's also a really good movie. I actually really recommend it. If you find some Timothée Chalamet fan in the streets, they will definitely recognize this costume. I didn't drink coffee today, so I'm kind of like falling asleep, so that's not great. I just want to finish this video because I've been trying on clothes for 2 hours at this point. This outfit is exactly the one that he's wearing. Anyways, let's go to the next one because I am almost dying filming this video and I'm tired, so. And the second to last outfit is from another iconic movie. This movie is actually one that I have watched, so that's good. It's from Mr. and Mrs. Smith. This movie is so cool. Like, I remember watching it as like a 10-year-old and loving it. You just need like a white v-neck t-shirt and some pajamas, bottoms, and a boot. If you have a girlfriend that wants to go as Angelina Jolie from this movie, it kind of helps. And this is pretty easy. You just can get out of bed and just go to the party if you want. Although, as I said, don't really go to a party. Pandemic. Next one. And for the last one, this is the best one. And it's so easily recognizable because the TV show has such a big fan base, including me. And the outfit is from Joey. It's not really his outfit. He's wearing every single clothing that Chandler owns to like prank him. For this outfit, you just need to put like a ton of your clothes one on top of the other, and like I don't really know how you're gonna move in that because, and it's probably gonna be like very hot inside of the outfit because you're layering like 15 pieces of clothing. I've never seen somebody in this costume because Joey is such an iconic character. I have actually done a video in which I recreate friends' outfits from all of the characters, the main characters, and it's gonna be the cards right here, right somewhere over here. At the same time that this was the easiest one because you didn't really have to think about the clothing that you're putting on. It was actually the hardest one to put on because I'm kind of like very tight and it's so hot inside of this costume. This is the coolest one. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So these are the 10 costumes and I hope you get some useful information from this video because I feel like I've been rambling for the past half an hour talking to the camera and none of it makes sense, but I hope it did to you and you kind of got what I was trying to say. These are probably the easiest costumes you can get, and also if you want you can put it in the comments like another costume of your choice that are actually easy so that people can look through the comments and maybe get some inspiration as well, so everyone kind of helps each other, you know? If you like this video, please make sure to press the like button, comment whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my other social media. This is my Instagram and my TikTok, and also turn on new post notifications. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on next week with some new videos. Bye.